In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge on Adobe Acrobat. If you have multiple PDFs, images, or documents to turn into one clean file, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click, with simple checks to keep everything organized. By the end, you'll have a polished PDF ready to share or archive. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If a document opens, that's fine. We'll jump to the main hub. Go to the Home display by choosing Home in the left sidebar or top navigation. If you don't see Home, click the menu icon to expand the left panel. Home shows your recent files and shortcuts and is the best starting point for combining. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. Some features require a license. From Home, open the Tools section. This is where Acrobat groups actions for editing, exporting, and organizing. Find Combine Files and select it. You'll see an Add Files button, click it, and choose everything you want to merge. You can add PDFs, images like JPEGs or PNGs, and even Office documents. Acrobat converts them to PDF during the merge. You can also drag and drop files straight into this window from your desktop or File Explorer. If any file is password protected, unlock it first so it can be included. When your files appear, confirm the order. The sequence here becomes the page order in the final PDF. Drag items up or down to rearrange, or select and remove anything you don't need. For large files, wait a moment for thumbnails so arranging is easier. You can switch between grid and list views, and even sort by name to stage the order before final tweaks. When everything looks right, make sure the files are selected and click Combine. Depending on size and number, the merge may take a moment. After it finishes, a single merged PDF opens. This is the moment for quick adjustments. Use the page thumbnails to reorder, rotate, or delete pages, or run Optimize to reduce file size. If you notice blank pages or sideways scans, fix them now so you don't have to redo the merge. Give the document a quick scan to confirm the flow and that all pages converted correctly. When you're satisfied, save the merged file with a clear name, ideally using Save As to preserve your originals. Consider saving to a project folder and including a date in the file name for easy versioning. That's all it takes to merge documents in Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part while you follow along.